What's going on, boys and girls? My name is Jody Kendall. I've been drumming for about 40 years now. Play everything from heavy metal to country and a little bit of everything in between. I'm the co-founder of the band Creekwater. That's Creek with a K. I also have a side project called the Mayors of Shotesville. I've used a lot of different sticks over my lifetime, different sizes, different brands. And I have to say that that right there, Collision 5B R is the stick for me. They're very durable, and with me being a heavy hitter the way I am, that's a big thing for me. They're also easy to find the fulcrum, lightweight. Still do tricks with them because they are lightweight. So my advice is, if you're looking for a good stick, get you some of these. Get a hold of the Collision family. Become part of the family, okay? You can't go wrong with Collision. There's a reason they're called Collision, because no matter how hard you collide them, it's hard to break them. Trust me, I know. Y'all have yourselves a good one. Get yourself some Collision sticks. So I'm going to be playing along with a Creekwater original called. That's what they make beer for. We hope y'all enjoyed that.